Next up, we have Confessionals, a website to anonymously discuss mental health topics. And here to tell you about it is Gage.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here today. An online study published this year states that 44% of online users say that their stress and anxiety levels have gotten worse because of the pandemic. How many of you have felt a decrease in your mental health since the pandemic? A decrease in energy, you've just been overwhelmed, or you're just bored? Wish you had some way to get that negative energy off your chest, but investing time and money into therapy is cumbersome? We thought the same thing. This is why we created Confessionals. Just opening up about your own mental health can be difficult. Sometimes it can take every ounce of courage to even open up and can make you feel vulnerable. Confessionals has added confidence to confidentiality, making it easier for users to start the narrative to recovery on their own terms. We took a simple concept and adapted it to create a free, private, and anonymous safe place to build open conversations with users dealing with the same hardships. This platform allows the user to use an anonymous username chosen by the user at login. This is used to mask the user's identity. Confessionals includes various message boards ranging from ADHD to depression and even features a rage room. Our team has also added resources to various mental health services that can be accessed with a quick and simple click. We also recognize the user's right to privacy. Thusly, Confessionals will delete each user's entry after they log off. However the user chooses to use these services, whether they are seeking help or they're there to just listen. Our hope is that this in practice gives our users the confidence that they deserve. My name is Gage Jones, and I primarily worked on the front-end styling of Confessionals along with other small features. My goal was to keep the site simple and compact enough to be easily navigated. And now I'm going to pass it off to our front-end developer, Drake.
Thank you, Gage, for that wonderful introduction. Hello, everyone. My name is Drake Herring, and thank you all for being here today. I was part of the front-end team for this project. My focus was the homepage. We intentionally kept it minimal to keep the anonymity of everyone by just wanting a simple login. For future updates, I want to create a more streamlined experience for the UI UX and give users more options while signing on. For example, differentiate login versus registration, allow users to log in with an external account, or use an email instead of a username, just to name a few. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to my teammate, Chris.
Hey, awesome. Thank you, Drake. Hello, everyone. My name is Christopher Irvin. I worked on the front end, and I also assisted with the styling of this project. I'm proud of the work that we did here to shine a light on mental health issues that secretly affect millions of people across the country. We wanted a simple and intuitive interface that would be easy for the user to navigate and find the room that best fits their need. Our hope in putting this together was to create a community where people will be able to share freely and openly. And with that, I'm going to pass it over to Ray.
Thanks, Chris. I'm Ray Sorensen. I contributed to front-end webpage functionality. What I like about this project is that it promotes dialogue among a group that's historically been isolated from help and advice. Now I'm going to pass it off to William.
Thank you, Ray. Hello, everyone. I'm William Batson, and my work on this project took on an organizational and conceptual role, integrating the theme and design. To start us off, I created a visual site model to hone in our efforts on tangible goals. From this, we were able to build out pages with a clearer structure and collectively assess problems in the code and make adjustments to create a working product. With mental health in mind, we wanted to create a fluid theme that spoke directly to the audience and showed an easy-to-use, clear purpose. I created a logo and graphic icons to place in our program that would reflect just that. This product is an open door, and the key to unlocking help is a confessional away. It was also important to add content to our pages linking sites for immediate and continued mental health assistance, which is what you will see on every page. And now I'd like to pass off to Caleb, who built out our backend.
Thank you, William. My name is Caleb Bridges. I was responsible for the back end of our website. Our first objective in starting our project was creating a database that could both store and reference each username and post made on the website. We utilized a relational database with foreign keys referencing the user ID for each table. We use REST API to access, create, and delete each username and post. Each table within the schema is routed to the API and shows the information from the database. That concludes our team's presentation. Thank you for your time. And now I'll send it over to Haley.